Today I'm going to show you the best way to find discount codes for Traders Capital, or shortened to T4T. Now, some of the great features about T4T Capital is that you can earn up to 90% of your profits, and you can trade Forex, equities, stocks, cryptos, commodities. There's a lot of things to trade on T4T Capital. You can scale your account up to $1 million if you prove to be a great trader, and the maximum you can get without scaling is $250,000. You can also start from an account as low as $5,000. The $5,000 account costs $50, and the $250,000 account costs $1,250. Mentioned earlier, your profit share goes up to 90%. The profit target is 10%, your daily loss is 3%, and your max trailing loss limit is 6%. Now, there is no time limit for this challenge, there is a refundable fee, and other great features as well. And if you prove to be a great trader, there is no limit to your funding. You can request your first payout within 7 days after placing your first trade, and then after your first payout, your next payday will be the first of each month. T4T Capital was originally Traders for Traders, and that is still going, which is more about the actual education behind trading. So you can actually get your own free introductory course if you go to tradersfortraders.com. And there is a lot of great trading education that you can actually follow yourself through here. To get the most up-to-date discount code for T4T Capital, click the link in our description below. As and when discount codes are available, you will find them in this box right here. What you need to do when they're available is copy this and then click the green Claim Now button. Once you've signed up to T4T Capital, go over to this section right here where it says New, and then pick the account size that you want. The only way to pay for this is through PayPal. Once you're ready to buy your account, click the Confirm button, and then either pick your PayPal account or debit or credit card. And once you've paid that, you will have access to your T4T Capital Challenge account. Thank you for watching this video. Leave a like if you've enjoyed, and subscribe for more trading content and discount codes.